Good morning. This is first recording for online learning for Year 9 Humanities. Now we're going to go into the White Australia policy today. So that's found on the course outline under White Australia policy. Just going to get it up, and I'll need to adjust my page a little bit once it's open. Okay. So we've got some links that you can see for White Australia policy. 1901, you can see that it became enshrined in law. However, actual classwork, we need to go down to here. Going to open the activities. And it says, write a summary of the White Australia policy, explaining why it came into being and what was its aim in the development of... I'm just going to stop. Okay, this is your work today. Write a summary of the White Australian policy, explaining why it came into being, what was its aim in the development of an Australian national identity. I'd probably like you to address a sentence at least on what was the Australian national identity at that stage of our history. Features to include in your response: in-text referencing, reference to sources by number, evidence of source evaluation, a reliable perspective can be seen in, supporting the perspective presented in source 1. Source 4 would also have us believe that, so it's a compare-contrast. Use different cohesive links like as shown in, both and, while such and such would have us believe, others would, as shown in. For example, while, say, one historian would have us believe that all people were racist in the society, the Bulletin cartoon is showing that not everybody was racist, and others would accept people without bias. Okay, this is going to become probably a 2-paragraph activity. So, history, when it came into being, have a look at, say, 3 different sources which were on the previous page, or you can find other sources. Find out what was the dictation test, how did they, which I've already mentioned in class, but how did they actually do the dictation test? All of those sorts of interesting things. Okay, that's our activity, and I will have a due work on my Unity for the work. Thank you.